Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we got a beautiful 2020 Toyota Corolla. Let's take a walk around. She is running, so I'm going to let you listen. She sounds great. She looks great. 2020 Toyota Corolla, 38,000 miles. Clean title, clean Carfax, no accidents, one owner. She just got a fresh oil change today. She's ready to take you where you want to go. I say take it to the beach. Take her to the beach and enjoy. That's the best way to enjoy this summer. Let's take a look at the inside. Beautiful interior. And the odometer says 38,201. We'll get inside in a little bit and enjoy some AC, but for now we're just going to take a walk around and let you see her. That's just my papers over there. I'll show you that in a little bit. Let me go ahead and pop the hood in the trunk for you. All right, sorry about that. All right, tinted windows. Yes, the driver's window is tinted too. I just have it down because she's running. And this is her trunk space. And under here, there's your tools. And under the tools, we have the spare tire. And then we put all this back down. All right, let's close this for you. Excuse me. And she is a Toyota Corolla LE. She looks good. Plenty of tread on all the tires. Let's take a look at this side. Let me move my papers. And I'll go ahead and show you my papers. This is when she was new. It's all her features. There she is. She's a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. Look at that. 30 miles city, 38 highway miles per gallon. And this is her features. And this is on my website. So you don't have to pause and read. You can just go to my website and see this. And there's my website, kylesautosales.com. Got any questions? 704-213-0169. And we're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Let me see if I got the Carfax under here. Yep. There's the Carfax. Here she is there, 4-cylinder, 1.8. No accidents. One owner, and she's from North Carolina. And like I said, she just got her oil changed this morning, so she's all ready for you. There's the dash on the passenger side. Seats are in excellent condition. Good cold AC blowing out. I can feel it. We'll get inside here in a little bit and enjoy it. Yes, I'm all about some AC. Look at the beautiful shine on her. Beautiful shine. Beautiful car. 38,000 miles. Can't go wrong. Let me see if I can get the hood up for you. Takes me a second, but I got it done. Purring like a kitten. Ooh, it's getting hot out here. Beautiful summer day. Hear that air compressor coming off and on. Getting that AC in there good for me. right, let's jump inside and enjoy some AC. I'm all about that. All right, up goes the window. Keep that sun outside for a little bit. All right, there's your steering wheel controls. And let's zoom in on the odometer. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me go behind the steering wheel. There it is, 38,201. Let me go back through here. Sorry about that. I was trying to get through the steering wheel so you could see with the glare out there. I don't know what you can see. From here it doesn't look very good. But anyway, excellent car. 38,000 miles, 38,201. Let's go over here to the stereo. Give you a blast.
Nothing stands between me.
Got to turn it down because we don't have rights to the music. And we have a backup camera. We have Apple CarPlay or Android. Let's see. Let's go to menu. There's where you can connect your phone. You haven't cleared that out yet. You get to put your name in there once you own the car. Let's go to apps. No notifications there. And we'll go hit there. Yeah, she's got all kinds of cool stuff. Apple CarPlay. She's got lane control. I'm going to tell you about it in here while we're enjoying some AC. Let me grab the papers here. I'm going to read a little bit to you. She's got Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth. You got the hill start assist, lane control, lane departure, collision awareness, just all kinds of stuff. My goodness, this list goes on and on. See if I can jump down here. Just take a look at the website. This is on there. And this is when she was new. So all kinds of good stuff here. I'm not going to bore you with reading all that, but this baby is loaded. You've got your Apple CarPlay, your Android, lane control, sign awareness. It'll tell you speed limits while you're going down the road. Just all kinds of stuff. Can't think of anything else to tell you. If you have any questions, just call me, 704-213-0169. Located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Give you another blast of music. Turn it down. All right, I can't think of anything else. AC is really feeling good. 69 degrees in here. I think it's probably 95 outside. It's really hot today. I hate you can't see that any better. No lights on the dash. 38,200 miles. She's like a new car. She's really nice. I can't think of anything else, so I guess the only thing left to do is to go back outside and give you another walk around, and then that's going to do it. All right, I'm going to put the window back down and we'll step back out into the heat. All right, back out to the heat. Yeah, I'd prefer to be inside. All right, let's do a walk around. Look at the beautiful shine on her. She's absolutely gorgeous. 2020 Toyota Corolla with 38,000 miles. Clean title, clean Carfax, one owner, no accidents. Just had a fresh oil change today. Tires are plenty of tread on all the tires. Tinted windows. Beautiful shine. Beautiful car. Great on gas. No issues at all. I did get to drive her this morning and she did great. No issues and was a pleasure to drive. She's been inspected as well, emissions inspected. I can't think of anything else. Again, you got any questions, call me 704-213-0169. Located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Please tell your family and friends to buy from me, and if they do, I'll give you $100. Please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate that. I can't think of anything else. So come see us. Come on this Toyota Corolla, 2020 Toyota Corolla, 38,000 miles, no accidents, one owner. Come get her, take her to the beach, and enjoy the summer. Enjoy it in the water. No better way to enjoy this heat than being in the water. All right, I guess that's going to do it. Thank you very much for your time. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your summer. Stay cool out there. I'm about ready to get cool and step inside this car. Enjoy some AC. Thank y'all very much. I do appreciate it. I appreciate you. I appreciate your business. Come see us here at Kyle's Auto Sales. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. All right. Bye-bye.